hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is something really exciting, but before I get into it, I would absolutely love it if you would subscribe. If you haven't already, please make sure you do. When I hit 10,000 subscribers, I am going to be announcing a giveaway winner, so if you haven't entered the giveaway, now is your time to do so. And 51.7% of you who watch my videos aren't subscribed, and I would absolutely love it if you could. It would make my day and I would really appreciate it. So if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do. But getting into today's video, we are going to be going through the Lush Easter spoilers for 2022. Now, I do just want to give a shout out to lush.scents on Instagram. This is where I'm going to be getting the images from. This is where I got the information from. So obviously, shout out to you. Thank you so much for showing me the spoilers, because without you I wouldn't be doing this video. So without further ado, we are going to dive into the Lush Easter range. Obviously, if you don't want any spoilers, probably not best to watch this video, but if you do, like me, you love a good spoiler, keep on watching. So the first thing that's being released for the Easter range of 2022 is the Disco Duck bath bomb. Now, this is supposedly party on scented, which I don't actually know what that smells like. So to any of you that know what party on smells like, please let me know in the comments, because I have absolutely no idea what that smells like. But this looks really cute. I really hope that the inside has lots of colours and it kind of has a very kind of disco vibe, do you know what I mean? Because it is a Disco Duck bath bomb, I would expect something exciting to happen on the inside. The only thing with this design that I find a bit strange is that it's got squares all over it. I don't really understand the kind of idea behind that. It looks like somebody's just got like a, I don't know, do you know what I mean? I don't know, it's a bit strange, but very cute, and I will obviously be buying everything to do a haul anyway, so you guys will see my reactions to everything. So yeah, moving on to the next item. Next up, moving on to another bath bomb, and that is the Pink Flamingo bath bomb. Now, Pink Flamingo has been out for a few years now, and I always thought that it smelled like Snow Fairy, but I think I might be wrong, because in the notes on this it said it's going to be Elfie Stick scented, and again, I cannot remember what Elfie Stick smelled like, so please let me know in the comments, because it's going to annoy me until I find out. So yeah, that's what that's going to smell like. And then we also have the Golden Egg bath bomb, which is going to smell like Honey I Wash the Kids. Golden Egg comes out every single year, and it looks to be the same design as last year, so it was a little bit smaller and a different kind of glitter, which, don't get me wrong, I love the smell of this product because it's like a bath melt bath bomb combo. It's really lovely. It makes your skin so soft. You smell absolutely edible and delish and amazing, but the only thing I hate about it is the glitter, because before it used to be really thick and you used to get it everywhere, whereas last year they made it was more of like a luster kind of vibe, so it wasn't as sparkly, but I still absolutely loved it. I love the smell. It smells like honey and toffee and caramel and amazingness, and I really like it. So if you haven't tried it and you don't mind glitter, it's really good. And a tip, if you want to try it but you don't really like glitter, is just like rinse a little bit of it under a tap just to get like the majority of the glitter off, which I do sometimes with some stuff, because I don't really like a lot of glitter, especially to clean it afterwards. But yeah, next up we have got the soap for the Easter range, which is the Flowering Carrot soap, which I'm assuming, yes, it smells like the classic carrot fragrance, which is the Snowman Jelly fragrance. It smells really good. It's really fresh. It doesn't necessarily smell like carrots, but it does smell really fresh, really crisp, and it's just a really nice clean smell. So I'm really excited about that, and I love the fact that they're coming individual. It's not a sliced soap this time, and I really like the look of it, so yeah, I'm excited to give that one a try. The next item is another bath bomb, and that is the Follow the White Rabbit bath bomb, which again I think we have had before. However, I think it's had a little bit of a makeover. This is also carrot scented, so it's going to have that really nice fresh fragrance to it, but this seems to have a lot of colours going on, a bit of blue, pink, yellow, orange, very similar to that cow bath bomb, Toby's Magic Cow, and that other one that came up for Easter, no, Christmas, the snowman. My memory is awful at the moment. That snowman that came up for Christmas, you guys know which one I mean, the little white one with all the colours. This is kind of a similar vibe, I think, where it's going to be white on the outside, have loads of colours in the middle, and it's just going to be beautiful. So I'm excited to give that one a try as well. The next item is the Flying Carrot bath bomb, and this one is Refresher scented. So Refresher was a shower jelly that they had a few years ago, and it was yellow, and it kind of just smelled like pure lemon. It was really nice, really fresh, very clean smelling, which I really like. like, and I really, really liked it. The only thing with these bath bombs I don't like, where they've got multiple pieces to kind of assemble, I guess, is storing them firstly is really annoying because I have to take them apart and just kind of fit them in my cupboards, and it's just an absolute pain. But also I never use the whole thing in one bath, so it just seems kind of pointless to me. I feel like I would much rather have had 2 separate bath bombs, but that's just my opinion. I don't know, maybe I'm just being boring, but I just never use the whole thing, so it just seems kind of a waste. But yeah, I am really excited to give this one a go. It does look really nice, but again, I will use it in multiple baths as opposed to just one. So yeah, moving on. So next up we have the Easter Bunny Bubble Bar, which is sparkly pumpkin scented. I love sparkly pumpkin. Sparkly pumpkin did not come out last year, and it is the most glorious smell for a bubble bar. I absolutely love it. It gives me really nice, like, nostalgic feelings because it just smells like the first Halloween I worked at Lush. I bought a lot of these. Like, you can imagine, you guys know me, I'm a hoarder. I was a collector. I bought a lot of these, and I think I still have one in my drawer somewhere. But it smells, how do I describe it? Like a really deep, fruity, kind of slightly warming smell, but it's not spicy. It's just so good. And this one is also covered in loads of gold luster, so it's going to be absolutely stunning. I think it's basically going to be the sparkly pumpkin in a different shape, and I love it. It's a little rabbit with a superhero cape on and a little mask, and it's just really cute. So yeah, moving on to the next product. The next item is a body scrub, and this is the Down the Rabbit Hole body scrub, which is a new grapefruit and raspberry scent. Why can't I read, honestly? Grapefruit and raspberry, that sounds absolutely delish. I think I'm going to really like that. I love kind of mixed fruit scents, so things like raspberry, grapefruit, kind of orange, lemon. Like, I love mixing the Comforter and Bright Side together. Side note, if you've not tried that, both bubble bars together make the most delicious fragrance in the world. But I think this is going to be very similar, so I'm really excited to give that one a go. And yeah, it's a new smell, so I'm all for it. Next up, we have the Gummy Bear Shower Jelly, which looks so cute. And I'm very surprised they've not done one of these sooner, because I bet when they send the big jellies to like the Oxford Street store and stuff, that the big jelly of this would look really cute. But this is a new mango lassi and cardamom scent. So I think it's going to be a really kind of fruity, I don't know how to describe it. I feel like it's going to be mango-y, obviously, but have like a really nice spicy undertone to it. I'm really excited to smell that, and I love the fact they're bringing some new scents this year, because it just makes things a little bit more exciting when things smell like something completely different. So I'm really excited to try that one. Next up, we have the What's Up Doc Shower Gel, which is Razzle Dazzle scented, and Razzle Dazzle was a bath melt, I believe. And it was sparkly and pink. Was it? Oh god, honestly, my memory. Was it pink and sparkly? I think it was, and round, if I can remember correctly. But it smelled really, really good from what I can remember. So I'm really excited to try that. And it's not like I need any more shower gels, but I will definitely pick one of these up just for the video, obviously, to show you guys. But yeah, I'm really excited to give that one a try as well. And it's bright orange, so I love that. The next item is the Funfetti Lip Scrub. I still have a bit of mine from last year, but it was really good. I really loved this lip scrub. It tastes basically like, you know, those little like candy sticks you used to get. I don't know whether in other countries they had them, but in the UK we had these like white candy sticks that came in like a little box, and it tastes exactly like those, and it is so good. I absolutely love the taste of it, so definitely looking forward to getting that one again. And the last item for the Easter range of 2022 is the Carrot Stick Lip Oil. Now this looks right up my street. I absolutely love a lip oil, especially for like when I'm filming or anything like that. I just think it looks so much nicer and more glossy than a normal lip gloss, so I love it. In my opinion, I think it's going to taste very similar to that Carrot Cake lip scrub that they brought out a few years ago. I think I still have some somewhere, which I definitely need to throw away, but it tasted really good. It tasted like carrot cake, obviously, so I think that's going to taste very similar. And obviously it's going to be a lip oil, so it's going to be highly moisturizing, and I'm so excited. I love a lip oil. I don't know about you guys, but I absolutely love like glossy lip oils. I think they look amazing, and I just really like them, so I'm definitely going to pick one of those up for sure. So that is everything for the Lush Easter range of 2022. Overall, I am really impressed with the range. I am really impressed that they're bringing out new fragrances. I love when they bring out new smells because I'm so excited to smell them. Obviously I will be doing a full haul of everything, so don't you guys worry. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. But I think it comes out on the 2nd of March, so I will order it on the 2nd of March. I will get next day delivery, and as soon as I can film it and get it up for you guys, I promise you I will. So yeah, keep your eyes out for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below in the comments what you are going to buy from this range, because I am so excited to buy it. Honestly, I'm so excited. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys.